Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a skill boost by using your unused player. If you do have a 30 unused player, you can get or you can exchange with a skill boost. So what you need to do is tap the exchange button at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, there are four options here. Go to the last one, a foundation. And this one I want to show you this skill boost, so you can get guarantee of 15 skill boosts random, and by collecting or trade with 30 gold player and elite player. Maybe I only got two because I already exchanged. Now if you do have unused player like the gold one or the red one is the elite one, you can exchange uh, by 30 player with X15 skill boost by tapping quick add and exchange if you do have 30 unused player. So if you need or upgrade a skill boost, please do this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. Enjoy the game.